Welcome. If you're looking to let your Telegram group members send photos, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to enable photo sharing for everyone in your Telegram group. Whether you're managing a community, a study group, or just want to make your chat more interactive, these quick steps will help you unlock the full potential of your group. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in with the account that has admin rights in the group you want to manage. Next, head over to the group chat where you want to allow photo sharing. Tap on the group's picture or name at the very top of the screen. This will take you to the group's info page, where you can see details about the group and its members. Look for the edit icon, usually a little pencil or similar symbol, at the top right corner of the group info page. Tap on it to access the group's settings. Now, find and tap on the permissions option. This section lets you control what members can and can't do in the group. Here, you'll see a list of different actions group members are allowed to perform. Scroll down and tap on Send Media to view the available media sharing options. You'll see choices for different types of media, like photos, videos, and more. To allow group members to send photos, simply check Mark the Photos option. Once you do this, all group members will be able to share their pictures in the chat, making your group more lively and engaging. That's it. With these steps, you've successfully enabled photo sharing for your Telegram group members. Now, everyone can contribute their favorite moments, ideas, or important visuals directly in the chat. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might need a hand managing their Telegram groups. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your enhanced group experience.